Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start how to write a program under the HTML tag. So first we have to create a basic HTML structure and then we are going to use some basic tags under the HTML tag. So first of all we have to create a HTML structure. First of all we have to open the root element, that is HTML tag, and this HTML document we have to divide in two basic sections, that is the head section and body section. Head section is the top of the page in which we have to provide our title, and body section is the bottom of the page in which we have to write our code. Under the head section we can use the title tag, and it is used for providing the title of a page. So as per your page requirement we have to give the title. Suppose I am giving here HTML basic. Now under the body section, now I am going to write the code. So in HTML first we are going to write a basic program and for using the basic tags. So first we have to require a message. Suppose I am right here. This message I am written here, and now we can watch what output we can get. But before going to run this program we have to require to save it. First of all we have to click on the file tab, click on the save option. Now the most important things, now here we can use the file name. Suppose I want to give in here web page, and most important point, we use the extension .html. See the location where you want to store it. Suppose I have to give in here desktop and click on the save option. Now just observe the change. Reload your browser, go to your destination place and reload your browser. Now you can observe that your web page will be open on your desktop, and whatever message we have to write under the body tag, it can be displayed on your browser. So next we are going to start some basic tags, and first basic tag I am going to start BR tag. BR tag is used for breaking the line. So suppose I want this line 2 times. So just I have to paste here. But before going to use the BR tag, first we see what the effect in our browser. Here I am writing the next line, but we want to check in web browser also it is display or not. Then you can observe that I have to divide the line, but in your browser it can be given in same line. So that's the use of BR tag. For dividing the line we can use, for break the line we can use the BR tag. BR stand for break. So just save the change and reload your page. Now you can observe that after using the BR tag, now in our browser window our line will be divided. So next tag we are going to use, what is the use of HR tag? So HR tag is used for draw the horizontal line. Suppose here I am written here welcome, and after that I want a line under it. So just I use the HR tag. HR stand for horizontal rule, and it is used for drawing a horizontal line. So just save the change and reload your page. Now you can observe that after the welcome word a line will be displayed. Now in this HR tag we can also use some attribute. So before going to start the attribute, you will know about what is the attribute. So attributes, it's a kind of a special syntax, either you say that it's a type of a special keyword. So under the HR tag we can also set the size of this HR tag, in which we can given the width. हम इस HR tag की क्या कर सकते हैं, width दे सकते हैं. So just we have to write HR size. It is the thickness of a line, how much thickness we want. Suppose I have to give in here 4, and just see the change. Reload your page and you can observe the change. Same as we can also use the color. So for the color just we have to write the color attribute and give the color name, and you can observe the change. You can observe that it can provide it. Now, after using the color code, you can observe that the color will be applied. Same as after the color attribute, we can also give the width of this line. So in width, just we have to give some size. Suppose I have to given 50%. If you use the percent sign, then it can be display the settings as per your browser resolution. So here I have given 50%, then you can observe the change. If suppose I have to given 80%, then you can see the change. It can be maximized as per size. Same as in attribute, in HR attribute, we can also use some other attribute like align, and it is used for providing the alignment. So suppose at that time you can see our line will be drawn on the center of the web page. Now I want to align it right side. So just we have to write the code align right, and now you can reload the page. Now you can observe that your line will be shifted on a right side. So in this way we can use the HR tag, and we can also use some attribute under it. Now after this we can going to use some attribute of a body tag. And first of all, in body tag, suppose I want to provide the background color. So under the body tag we are going to use BG color. BG color stands for background color, and here simply you have to write the name of the color, and you can observe the change. The background color will be applied on your background. Same as in this background color, if you want to change the color of whole web page, like whatever text we have to written here, this text we want to color it. So for this we have to write text attribute, and under the text attribute you can use the color name, and you can observe the change. Now our text color will be changed. Same as this text color we can also change with the font tag, but if you want to same color within a web browser, then better than we can use under the body tag. Next we are going to use, if you want to give some margin in your web browser, then under the body tag we can use top margin. Top margin, it means it can provide the margin from the top side of a page, and we can give in a percent form so that it can be displayed as per your browser height and width. So I have given here top margin, and you can observe the change. Same as if you want to provide some left margin, you want to provide the margin from the left side, then for this we have to use left margin, and now we can give the size. So just we have to give the size and observe the change. Now you can observe that it can also provide the space from the left side.